Sports on Air.
After an upset loss in game number 3, the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel bounced back in game number 4 to tie the series at 2-all. And we are now joined by our winning coach, Coach Tim Cone, and our best player of the game, L.A. Tenorio. Coach Tim, you described Game 3's loss as a terrible game for Ginebra, but now after this dominant win, how would you articulate your players' performance this game number 4?
Well, as bad as we played last game, we played that good this game. I mean, I just felt the energy was so much better. You know, we started differently. We really brought out, you know, LA and Stanley to give us that veteran presence to come out and play and really get into our execution. And you know, this guy just really responded, and he's got a lot of things going on, and so him to be able to come out and do this kind of stuff and still do this stuff at this level is just truly amazing. So, but we wouldn't have done it without those two guys coming out and playing well and getting us off to a good start, and even doing that, and also starting the second half as well, coming out. And that gave us a chance to rest people. We played well, so we're able to rest some of the starters in the fourth quarter. So hopefully we'll have some energy to give on Sunday.
Thanks, Coach. Now, LA, Coach Tim said it himself, you responded well together with your teammates. In fact, you guys dictated the pace of this game, and considering with how you guys played today, ano kaya sa tingin mo yung mga bagay na dapat baunin nyo para sa game number 5 at ituloy nyo lang gawin?
Well, first of all, no, I'm not the only one who responded in this game. I think I have to give credit also to the whole team, especially players coming off the bench. They really responded. It gave a lot of rest, lalo na dun sa mga starters namin, regular starters namin. So I think yes, we started with with the vets, me and Stanley, Scotty, and the two big guys. But I think more than that, what I told the players before the game, it's really we really have to respond to this pressure. The pressure is on us. Diba? Yung sinabi rin sa amin ni Coach before the game. I'm just happy that everyone responded, not only me. But my role in this team is really, to be if Coach Tim will give me this kind of opportunity, that means I have to be a good role model, especially to all the players, to get a good start, and katulad ng binanggit mo na yung pace ng game, yung tempo ng game. So yun ang importante kasi sa amin. So I'm just happy, but again, it's just one game. Hopefully next game, we can after tonight we can move forward and prepare for our next game, because I'm sure this is not gonna be they're gonna be ready. I'm sure hindi sila ready nung start ako eh. Isa rin yun, no? They're not ready na nag-start ako, medyo nagulat sila doon. So for sure next game they're gonna be ready, and it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be harder.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone, mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.